Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to unbox this SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. 1TB, has high-speed storage for high-res photos and videos, and up to 550 megabytes per second. It's fairly little and very light, the packaging. And let's go ahead and just open it. And let's try to get it out with one hand. I took the wrong side now. Here we go. That's what it looks like. This little thing. I have fairly small hands, and it's very, very light and comes with a nice thing to hold it on. And then we have some cables. Let me try to get this out of here. Perfect. Alright, so this is like USB-C to USB-C. And there is like a middle, like this adapter to connect the USB-C to this USB, I believe B it is, like the normal one that people are usually used to. And you can plug it in here on the bottom of this thing. Alright, that was it for this video. My name is Humble Unboxing. If you enjoy, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if this, once you get this product, if it's a good one. I hope you enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye bye.